Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video I'll talk about how you can actually get this kind of punch hole wallpapers in the Oneplus Nord 2 device. As you can see friends, so this is a question which has been requested by plenty of my subscribers asking me to make a video which is the best wallpaper application for the Oneplus Nord 2. So which can be really useful for the front camera purpose. As you can see, so different phones will be having the different positions in terms of the punch hole mechanism. So every punch hole has got different wallpapers available. So right now let me try to exactly explain which is the best wallpaper available for the Oneplus Nord 2 device. So in case if you want to know more wallpapers about the live wallpapers or any other details, so make sure to check the playlist which are created separately for wallpapers alone. As you can see, these are playlists I have created friends. So here you can find plenty of other wallpapers as well, which will be really good and really interesting as well. So you can find all the answers in one single playlist. So what is this application which actually utilizes this kind of punch hole camera in the Oneplus Nord 2? The application name, which is called the POCO X. As you can see friends, is exactly designed for the Oneplus 8 and 8 Pro, but right now even the Oneplus Nord 2 has got same kind of punch hole mechanism, exactly same position. We can actually use this application even for the Oneplus Nord 2 as well without any kind of problem. So once you open the application, so first thing you need to do is that you'll get the option to select the what type of device you use. So these options, these three options you'll be getting. So try to select Pixel 5. Okay, if you try to select the Oneplus 8 or 8 Pro, it doesn't work. The punch hole, the wallpaper will not be really aligned for the punch hole. That is what I meant. Try to use only for the Pixel 5. I'll try to demonstrate you. So right now I'm trying to use a OnePlus 8, and if you want to punch wallpapers, try to go to this trending options. If you want the similar kind of punch hole wallpapers, always. So this is the home page, and this is the live wallpapers, and these are trending options. Now let me try to select this option, this wallpaper. So right now, as you can see friends, it's not aligned with the punch hole at all. It's not working. So that is the reason you need to select exactly Pixel 5. Even if you try the OnePlus 8 Pro also, it doesn't work. Let me try to show you. As you can see, it's not working. So select only Pixel 5. That is the reason I'm trying to exactly mention clearly what is happening here. We need to try to go back and change the device. Yes. So let me just select this wallpaper. As you can see friends, perfectly done. In the OnePlus Nord 2, it's working. Now let's explore what are the options which are available in this kind of POCO X application. So first is that if you go to this home page, which will be having plenty of other wallpapers, so which are kind of useful, I would say, but which are not that attractive in the beginning. So in the beginning you cannot find that kind of punch hole utilization wallpaper, so you need to scroll down. So if you try to scroll down, then you will be start to find this kind of applications, I mean wallpapers. As you can see, this kind of wallpapers you can actually get. So you need to scroll down. So if you don't want to do that, you can directly go to this option which is a trending. So in the trending you'll get all this kind of punch hole utilized wallpapers. Most of the wallpapers will be punch hole utilized. As you can see, there are so many options which are available. My favorite wallpaper is this Spider-Man wallpaper hanging with the punch hole, so which looks fantastic friends, and cool as well. As you can see, which is really cool to use this kind of wallpapers, so which is pretty attractive as well, as you can see, and something different from the crowd. So if you're using the OnePlus Nord 2, why not try this application and you can use this one. So this is another wallpaper which is available for the OnePlus Nord 2, as you can see here. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video. This is a quick review on the wallpaper application on the POCO X, and in case if you have any other doubts, let me know in the comment section below, and definitely I'll try to do my best even to do the Android reviews and Android games as well in my channel. Not only the phone reviews, I'll try to cover even these games and applications very often, so you will not get bored of my phone reviews continuously. So thank you for watching this video friends, and I'll see you in the next video, and then stay tuned for more updates. And there's an option to use the live wallpapers, but it's not for the free. You need to pay for the pro version. That's the one thing. So it's not available for the free. As you can see, you need to upgrade. These are the few wallpapers which are available, live wallpapers. So that's it friends, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video friends. I'll then stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.